Hi, my name is Charlene. I study English University now. I'm present as seat final exam. Presenting derivation. The added outward forming affix in cal derivation which had already loved and two-thirds of derivation. Affix in constant to exceptional suffix the addition with event of curve. I summon cat where there is now. Bossy in the now plural as to be delivered the product graph of derivation affine to raw produce new words with one or more of the following and examples. Phonology and chanting include graph, grants reduce resolution clarity. Fusion include inclusive brand dramatics, relief, relation, perceived, impression, electric, photographies, and orthography. Chant the verb rove. I beat people they need happiness. And seven chats with my beef fires complex was suddenly eventual. In English derivations and finds, Afar is Prince of Suven, the wise navy derivation force of English or foreign words along with a word and from foreign. Language expression phrase, their productivity might range from very light to his extent, depends on whether they are perceived in use and first words, and no longer discovering new words, or whether they are found in many words and is style obscure new words. An example of a productive suffix is the in and mat with then elsewhere, whereas as example of productive suffix in the able in able and able admiral of honored both bit affix stage to withdraw is our cat arbit end. A prefix is now awarded of ruler Burmese with star-shaped force and rows, and for examples and dictionary that its derivation is part of the lexicon, not part of the grammar of the language. Only their phrases which are no longer produced in English systematically change the part of speed of the draw. Abel slides as the above, but come, but friend, but dig, but call, besmirch, and largest answer, insert, and cut and trash. Derivation can be studied in terms of lexical rules, only meant mistaken. Ismen, inner, are, imagery, false is falsity. Thank you so much.